New tonight, a story that you'll only see right here. We are hearing from the Congresswoman behind the legal fight to remove President Trump's name from the Kennedy Center. A federal judge ruled in her favor Friday, saying that the Kennedy Center is a living memorial to President John F. Kennedy and that only Congress has the authority to approve changes. Sarah Robinson spoke with the Congresswoman just moments ago.
He's a dog who has to, you know what, on everything and make a mark.
Frankly, I'm here to take a picture of this abomination before it comes down.
Those gathered outside the Kennedy Center Saturday were documenting what they hope are the final days of President Trump's name on the building. That comes after a federal judge ruled the decision to add Trump's name to the living memorial was unlawful.
I am so happy. I think it's such an incredible moment.
Among those celebrating the ruling is Mallory Miller, a former Kennedy Center employee who says she lost her job shortly after Trump took office.
I'm still fighting to get my job back because of how I was fired. I believe that it was done so illegally.
Miller says the judge's decision gives her hope that fight is far from over. But even as she continues to seek her own reinstatement,
there's still plenty of people inside the building that haven't lost their jobs and that get to keep them longer.
The ruling also blocks a controversial plan to close the Kennedy Center for a years-long renovation project. In his decision, the judge said the center must remain open to the public while the legal dispute continues. Trump responded on Truth Social, saying he plans to work with Congress to transfer the failing institution back to lawmakers so they can decide its future. The lawsuit that led to the ruling was filed by Ohio Congresswoman Joyce Beatty, a former member of the Kennedy Center board. Beatty told WUSA 9 she believes the case was about protecting a national memorial created by Congress and ensuring no president can unilaterally change its purpose.
I am very confident that the performers will be excited about returning, donors will return, because everyone was very specific that Donald Trump had made this political. So this was standing up for justice.
Beatty says she hopes the decision sends a message that national memorials belong to the American people, not to any one administration.
This will go down in the annals of history, that we were able to protect the rule of law.
In D.C., Sarah Robinson, WUSA 9.